All right, good morning. It is day 2. We are working on weather. What's our letter?
We have W for weather.
W. All right, so you're going to need your board and then your bag full of stuff. You are going to need your cotton balls. Just set them to the side. And your Wiki Sticks, your sticky string. Wiki Sticks is like the brand, I guess.
Yep.
And then your dry erase marker. All right. Sit it all to the side and stretch those fingers out. Get them ready. W is for weather. You have your capital and you have your lowercase. They look the same.
Yeah.
They look the same.
One's just
One
smaller.
is just meh. So this is one of our easy letters. All right. So start at the top. Draw a line straight down. Well, it's kind of like on an angle, just a little bit. And then angle it straight back up, angle it down, straight back up. Okay? Kind of like a little zigzag. Sideways zigzag. Okay? Lowercase, same thing. Just smaller. Just smaller. What happens if I turn this upside down, Miss Rachel?
When you turn a W upside down, it looks like an M.
It does. It does. So if you can write an M, you can write a W. If you can write a W, you can write a M. All right? All right. You get your dry erase marker. Start at the top. Try it with your marker. All right. And then try the lowercase. All right. Once you are done that, let's play our game, and then we're going to erase it and use our Wiki Sticks. All right, so we have W is for weather. Are there any other W's besides these two and those two, Miss Rachel?
I do. I see a couple more W's. I want to come in a little closer. I see a W for wiggle and for worms right up there.
Right there and right there. All right. You ready for my wonderful pictures?
Oh, yes. Let's see. What do you got this week, Miss Chrissy?
All right. It's hard to draw it upside down. Kind of a big body there. I don't know. It's hard to draw.
It's adorable. I think that is a walrus.
Yeah, you can tell by these
Little
big old
tusks there. So cute.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So my alien walrus there. Let's see. Well, how about if I just point to a picture? And what is that a picture of?
What is that a picture of?
It's a season.
Oh, it's winter.
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 That was the best I could do for winter.
Perfect.
All right. If you look at this one.
A little closer.
Okay. Can you tell
Well,
what word?
Playing in the water.
Water. That's wet. Wet
Yep.
water.
Wet water, yep.
All right. Wow. W. What else? How about, let's see. All right. Don't judge me on my water.
Oh, gave it away, Miss Chrissy. Let's see if you
Almost
can
gave it
guess.
away. Almost gave it away. You eat it in the summer.
Yes.
It's got little seeds in it, and it's red.
All right, well, pepperoni pizza does not start with W, so I'm
Okay,
going to assume
yeah.
that's a watermelon.
Watermelon. Yeah. All right. Keep drawing. Come up with as many things that you can that start with the letter W. And then erase your board. And then we're going to grab our Wiki Sticks, our silly string. And we're going to try to see if we can make that letter. All right. Wiki Sticks. Come on. They are sticky. Save your bag so you can put them back in there so they don't dry out.
Yes.
Which they shouldn't. All right. Let's see if I can make this W. right. Getting there. Let's go into the pink. All right, that's pretty good, right?
That's pretty good.
All right, let's see about our lowercase. Doop. Doop. Get that little point. Hey, what letter is that?
That's a V.
That is a V. All these hidden letters in here. Oh, that W looks
Oh, that's perfect.
good.
Perfect.
All right. Once you are done with that, you can even try to make pictures with these on the front. But flip your board over. Look at the top. Okay, you can do a couple of things. And I'm not going to do them all, but you can trace it with your dry erase marker. Okay? Try to say what the shapes are while you're doing it. Miss Rachel, if all the sides are the exact same and there's 4 sides, what is this?
That is a square.
That is a square. Well, this one has 4 sides. Why is that not a square?
So these sides are the same, and these sides are the same with each other, but they're not all equal. So that is a rectangle instead.
Right. Very good. All right.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Very good, Miss Rachel. All right. The other thing you can do is erase it, and you can whoop, try to make it with your sticky string.
Oh, so close. So close.
Yep, I have to double it up.
There you go.
Okay, so try to get it as close as you can. All right. Okay. Third thing, make clouds. Pull apart your cotton ball. Pull it like really fine because you won't necessarily use it all. And then you have to be very particular and try to only fill the shape. Okay? Try to make it the exact same shape. And we're going to have some cloud shapes. That looks pretty close.
Oh, that's good.
Okay? You can also keep this on here and fill it if you want. But this red does not look like a cloud. So, therefore, just saying, if you need some little guidance, use the Wiki Sticks first, okay? And you can do that with all of these, and you have plenty of cotton balls that you can fill in every single one and try to make it the shape. You might have to peel pieces off to make different sizes. Whoop. That's sticking to me, okay? But I will let you do all of these shapes on your own. Before I go, Miss Rachel, what is this?
Ooh, see, that's kind of a tricky one. We need to count the sides and make sure we get the right shape. So I'm going to count the sides. You can count with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is an octagon. You have probably seen an octagon and not even realized it. That is the shape of a stop sign.
There you go. And then we have our triangle, circle, and everybody knows
Heart.
the heart.
Oh.
All right, down at the bottom, weather. Okay, so we have our clouds. Sometimes when it rains, it thunders, it
Also has some lightning.
lightning. You definitely want to be inside if it is lightning. Do not stay outside and play in the rain, please. If it is lightning, go inside. All right, so a couple things too. You can use your dry erase marker. Okay, work on those fine motor skills to trace the lines. You can also use your sticky string. Okay, it will stick to the board, so you can bend it in all different shapes. Okay, so see if you can do that. I'm gonna have to, you can even cut these in half if you need to, but I'm just gonna double them up. Do, do, do. Getting there, getting there. This takes a lot of skill. Okay, there you go. That looks pretty good. All right. Then last but not least, we have to have our umbrella if it's just doing this.
Just rain.
Just rain. That's a bad one. All right. So if you look all the way around, it is numbered. See if you can find the number 1. Okay. Look carefully. I see 1s.
Oh, but that's 11. That's too many ones. How about right there?
Right here. Okay. There's your number 1. So that's what the first thing that you're going to find and you're going to circle. You're going to start there and you're going to trace the lines to each number and try to say them as you do it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 5, getting sloppy, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There you go. Super cute. You can draw some raindrops there. I guess it wouldn't be raining underneath though.
That's true. That's
Okay.
true.
It would be raining on the side. All right, you guys. That is all I have for you for this activity. If you noticed in your kit, you had a bonus rainbow scratcher. That looks kind of boring.
That's just a black piece of paper. What is that?
I don't know. What are we going to do with that? In your bag, you should also have a popsicle stick. All right. And in this, you can draw a picture or you can practice writing your W's. And then it makes it a rainbow. Could even make a rainbow. Let's see. Does it sort of look like a rainbow?
That is awesome. Yes. That is so cool.
Look, wiggle worms.
Oh, look at that. So pretty.
Look, I'm going to sit here and play. All right. That is all I have for you guys. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.